Acha, so this is an important topic. I like ukulele and my niece loves guitar, so according to her, I should love guitar as well, which I don't. I mainly prefer ukulele. So, কি তুমি ওইদিকে কেন? এদিকে আসো. So just listen to the rest of the whatever she has to say. Just listen it from her.
Mama, you don't like guitar? You love ukulele?
Of course I do,
Why?
because I prefer ukulele more than guitar. I hate guitar. Guitars are so big.
Guitars are best, and you don't like guitar, and guitar is not the best. You don't like me.
I never said guitars are not best, and I never said I don't like you. I of course do.
You not like me.
Oh, shut up. I like you. No worries.
You're just like your ukulele. You don't like guitar. Why? You're not like me, cousin. You love ukulele, and that's not fair.
But why do you love guitar? You should love ukulele.
Guitar is the best, not ukulele. Ukulele is loser.
কি বললা তুমি?
Ukulele is loser.
উকুলেলে ছোট বলে ভাবে তুমি অপমান করলে উকুলেলেকে. But I love ukulele.
Ukulele is not here, so why I choto?
But I want ukulele. There is a guitar, but I want ukulele. See? The guitar. I hate guitar.